Putting that in the free chat. Damn, I was low-key lacking. I was in the shower. We go though. I think it's gonna be a good trade. Oh yo, what's good? What's good? I think it's gonna be a really nice trade, honestly. Trying to call it right now. Yo, can you guys hear me? Can you? Somebody said I'm muted. Can you guys hear me or not? All right, bet. Just a little focused for a second. Of course, I'm about to drop a Zoom link too, for those who want to join the Zoom, so you can talk. If you're not gonna talk, just stay on the YouTube, honestly. But drop the Zoom link in a sec. I'm just looking for something right now. All right, let me get that Zoom link out to y'all. Honestly, guys, like, if you're not gonna talk, just don't really join the Zoom, you know? Let's do this real quick. Video capture device. Activate. There we go. Now I'm back on the stream. I think this could want to
I think
tap.
this could want to
Oh
tap.
my god,
Oh
Echo.
my god.
Could want to tap into here. If this OB. Our entry was what was it? I believe it was like right here. I have somebody answer the. I mean, somebody asked why don't I answer support? It's because I don't handle support like somebody else handles that. I think this can pull up here, dude. I think this is all trade though. This could be an aggressive stop, but safer stop is like right here, 5 extra pips. Someone said increase the volume is too low. Is that better, bro? Like, let me know. It's sometimes I just need to speak louder, honestly. Dude, I have so many people on the Zoom.
Yeah, what's
And
up, man?
yo, what's good? What's good, bro?
I think the volume's fine.
Oh yeah. All right, perfect,
Yeah, it's nice and clear.
perfect. I say it all the time, but I tell people like, yo, if you're gonna join the Zoom, fucking unmute. If you're gonna stay muted, be on the YouTube. Like,
I was speaking, but I had myself muted. I was
oh
like,
yeah,
why is he
nah.
not talking back?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Uh,
Yo, yo.
What's good? What's good? FX Trading Institution. That's dope.
What's up?
What y'all watching tonight?
What do you think? What do you think about Euro AUD shorts?
I mean, let's check it out, bro. Let's fucking check it out, right? I mean, it looks like it fucking started to move already. That hour looks
My
so nice, bro. That hour looks extremely nice if it closes like that.
my entry was at 1.64 405. Think I'm late.
405. What's your stop loss?
64 643.
Like over here?
Yeah.
I mean, 25, bro, it's not bad. I mean, I could see it dropping to like here. Just gotta
Yeah.
see if it. Here's one scenario, right? Now we have this supply here, or this demand zone, right below Asia lows. So what you don't want to see is something like this, because then it's probably gonna keep going up. But by all means, bro, I mean, if it clears this, you've probably got a nice way down, you know? Then you'll probably push to at least here. In my opinion, it's not financial advice. It's just my
Sure.
it's just
Yeah,
my
yeah.
opinion, bro. My, you know?
Yeah, I get you. I get you. I think I'm just gonna close 50 when it
Bro,
reaches
bro, trust your analysis, bro. Where's your take profit?
my take profit is where you said
Okay,
like
over
down,
here.
down there at like 163 745 or 492.
I think 745 is solid, bro. Like I think those areas are good.
Yeah.
Just bro, just trust your analysis. Like you know, you gotta be exposed to the market. It's the only way you're gonna learn, bro. Unless you're fucking over leveraging right now on some, you know, like then that doesn't make sense.
Bro, I'm risking 0.25%.
Yeah, bro. Then fucking trust it, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
What's the alert I just got? GN. Let's see what's up with GN. I don't know. I mean, GN did sweep pretty nicely, but I feel like I just want to see.
Keep opening zooms, Ali.
Yeah, bro. I mean, I was traveling. That's why I wasn't doing the zooms. But bro, there's so much I have in store for you guys. Like, I just want to keep providing value and
How was
content.
Egypt?
Bro, it was amazing. The entire trip was amazing, bro. Like, and I loved every single moment of it, bro. You know.
Good, I'm glad you deserve the blessing, my guy.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Yeah, but I'm just trying to like provide value for the people. You know, like I feel like it's needed.
Yeah, you deserve it, bro.
Yo, Ali, can you hear me?
Of course, bro. It's good.
Yo, on USD, like I was thinking about like shorting it.
All right, so I'm gonna buy it then.
Damn.
Nah, I'm fucking with you. But like G shit, shorting it like right now.
I was thinking about it. Yeah.
Honestly,
Not
bro,
like right
this
at
is a pair like I
very
truly,
moment, but I was more bearish on it.
yeah, I think it is still heavily bearish, but I could see these areas being swept. I don't like any of like the way I trade. I don't see any proper structure on this. So I personally would not be entering odd USD. Especially this is one thing that I really like to focus on, which is like, all right, right now we look at Australian dollar, right? That's a part of like the Sydney session. Okay, like Australian, you know. So I like to pair things with their banks. And then you have the US dollar New York session. So neither one of those pairs are like really in play for London. Like that's the way I kind of view things sometimes. Like I noticed that when I trade that way, I'm a lot clearer. Like I end up taking a lot more winners.
So like you wouldn't trade like USD CAD during London. You trade more on like
Exactly. Like I feel like the best times are when that pair has like either you know the first or second pair or currency is in its session. I feel like that's when we find the best setups.
Okay, that makes sense.
Ali, I have a question.
Of course, bro. Go ahead and ask.
When you're in the weekend, how do you manage your watch list? What do you think about at first?
So Sunday 2 p.m. What I like to do is you can see here, right? So you can see my watch list on. Oh, you can't really see it. Look here.
I can.
See, we got like I have everything like broken up, euro, odd, whatever. Okay.
Yeah.
And so what I do from there is I focus on I start on like I look for really high time frame order blocks, and as you can see, there's a ton of here. They either have blue or red. So like if I'm gonna swing trade, this is like the way that I swing is I'll focus on the blue or the red, and I will let them play out the way that I think like it's gonna go through. So over here, you know, we have red. It means that I don't think it's really like the best pair to trade this week, or I have blue, which is something that I want to focus on. So I usually even drop zooms on Sundays. I usually do those like with my VIP where I break down everything for them, and then as you guys know, like I send out my outlooks on Sundays as well in the free chat, just so like everybody can have something to learn from.
All right.
What I don't get is like why AU is pushing up and GA is pushing up. Like to me, the Australian dollar should be getting like pretty strong right now, so GA should be dropping a bit.
Would you advise just staying away from high spreads or exotics?
Yeah, honestly, I would.
What pairs do you think are best for New York?
Anything with US dollar, bro. I like US 30 and NAS honestly for New York.
Yeah, I like NAS on New York.
I feel like it really respects like if you look at price, like I feel like it's really easy. Mark up a supply, mark up a demand, and just like see if you get confirmation in there, and if you don't, then just don't trade them that day. That's honestly what I do for those.
100%.
Hey Ali, can you hear me?
Yeah, what's up?
Hi, bro. It's been so long. I have joined your Zoom.
Yeah. No, I remember you, bro. Your
I
mic, I remember, especially your mic is shit, bro.
have been following you since last year. Like it's been 1 year. I have been following
Is it
you.
Ahmed? Is that Ahmed speaking, or who is it?
No, this is Rahul.
Is it who?
Rahul.
Oh, what's good, bro? What's good?
Yeah. So it's been so long. I have been following you and learned a lot and started my own page. Going good.
That's good, bro. That's good. I'm happy to hear that.
Now I'm profitable after so long. After learning so many things from you.
That's bro. That's literally lit. I'm so happy to hear that. I'm not even gonna lie. Like that puts such a smile on my face, bro.
Thank you. I'm grateful to you.
Of course, bro. Look at her move.
Assalamu alaikum, Ali.
Walaikum assalam, bro. How are you?
Fine. Do you speak Arabic?
Yeah. What's good?
Why you interested here?
I'll show you right
I'm
now.
from Saudi Arabia.
The best people, bro.
When I analysis in 1 hour, it's wrong. يعني لما أحلل على دقيقة غير لما أحلل على ساعة.
Okay.
I'm confused.
انت شايف ايه على الدقيقة وشايف ايه على الساعة؟
إنه يكون في دعم ومشترين في ال5 دقائق والدقيقة.
Okay.
واشوف انه سل في الساعة.
Okay. طب look,
ما عارف
like the best thing, أحسن حاجة to look for higher time frame, right? So الساعة it should overpower the lower time frame, and then what you want to do is find a way to get the higher time frame with the lower time frame. فأنا دلوقتي يعني أنا شفت على الساعة أنا شايف هننزل. فبصيت على الدقيقة بقى ولقيت يعني so you can see here I found we have this purple indicator I have here. It's just it's called Asia Range Nikko 948D. It just shows me the highs of Asia session. So once we get swept,
إيش هي؟
I look at this supply zone, and now I have confirmation because we have break of structure. Boom, break structure over there, and then price continues to drop.
اوكي لانه في مقاومه جامده فوق في الثلاث دقائق، فعشان كده انت حطيت سيل صح؟
Yeah.
بس في الساعه. طيب نروح عند الساعه نشوف.
To me, this is a very strong demand zone. Supply zone. I mean.
ولا عشان
إيه؟
انت حكمت عشان الديول النازله ولا عشان ايش؟ اللي فوق.
اوكي انا شايف من هنا يعني العربي بتاعي يعني مكسر شويه فاهم، فما بفهمش قوي، بفهم مصري اكتر فاهم، بس
اوكي
بس يعني من هنا انا شايف، انا بصيت هنا اول حاجه ببص على two zones. يعني هنا this is the high and this is the low. Okay. These are like the two demand and supply zones that I'm liking to use with this indicator. So بعد ما احنا ناخد ال Asian highs عشان في فلوس resting هنا, there's a lot of liquidity, there's a lot of money in the markets, we sweep it, and then because we break structure on the lower time frame and we're in a zone already on the higher time frame where we can potentially sell, بتعملي زي confirmation كده اني اخش في التريد.
اوكي يعني تشوف الاثنين.
بالظبط, ما انا عايز الاثنين يبقوا مع بعض فاهم, يعني الاثنين لازم يوروني نفس الحاجه بالظبط.
متوافقين مع بعض.
يس.
السلام
ما
عليكم.
تستخدم اي انديكيتور ثاني؟
اسمه هوريه لك دلوقتي. Asian Range Nikko 948D.
ايجي ايش فائدته هذا؟
هكتبه في ال it shows you just the high and the low and the Asian session يعني for that's all it does.
اوكي يعطيك العافيه. شكرا. Thank you.
You're welcome bro.
السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام bro. How are you?
الحمد لله.
Alhamdulillah.
Brother, can I talk to you about the issue I faced?
The what?
The issue I faced with dip support?
يعني message me بقى. I'll give you my Telegram, my personal one, and we can talk there.
يعني بس بقول لك شو استوى بالضبط
ما انا فاهم, بس يعني I'm on live stream فاهم, ف يعني مش عايز بقى اضايق حد فاهم. If you have an issue with the sport, it's more personal. It's يعني this is it's not to be taken to live. So I can speak to you after عادي, مش مشكلة.
اوكي.
ممكن اديك يعني التليجرام بتاعي personal يعني فاهم, نتكلم. ابعت لي مسج دلوقتي على الزوم عشان اشوفك وهبعتها لك. ماشي.
شو اسمك انت في زوم؟
انا المفروض بيب اند ديب يعني the host. نعم.
Yo, could you do like the GBP like AUD like analysis that you give it for the other guy
like in English? No, of course, bro. So his main question was like, why do I see a sell, and how do I go about like differentiating what time frames are showing? So actually, one sec, bro. Let me send this guy. I promised this guy I'd send him my Telegram because he needs to get into contact with me. So I just gave it to him. Anyways, so here I was just talking about how think about the market, right? There's money resting in the market always, and it's all about for banks finding the way to make the most money for themselves, right? Everybody should understand this. It's pretty much market 101. Now, for the banks to make the most money for themselves, we have to find a way to remove money from other people. When we hit stop loss, somebody else is winning. You know, for every stop loss, there's a take profit. For every buyer, there's a seller, etc., etc. So hold on. So for here, I always like to use the Asian Range Nikko 948D indicator, and then what I like to do is mark up like where we have a supply zone or a demand zone, like on a lower time frame or I mean on a higher time frame, around the higher the low. And what I usually see is like something like this. So here you can see we swept the highs, and now I had my supply zone marked up, right? You following along?
Yeah, I'm following.
All right, so we had the supply zone marked up. Now I went on a lower time frame, It's in line with this, and what do we get? We got to break a structure. So now it's like, all right, we're in a supply zone on the higher time frame, and the lower time frames are like trickling down to show me like, yo, we're starting to move down. So that's the way like I approach this trade, and that's what gave me the confidence to take it. You know, very 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 simple analysis.
Why did you consider that a supply zone? Because it's like really choppy.
Because like on the 1 hour, bro, like I just saw like this big wick at this high, respecting here to the left, and then it was followed by like a nice move downwards, and built its way back up, tested that one more time. Looks like the hour should be closing pretty solidly here, soon. They say you guys staying up till New York. Nah, bro. I mean, I used to do that shit. I'm not even gonna lie. I used to like stream just nonstop, bro, and it's a lot. Like I've been. I think today is not gonna be like that, honestly.
علي
What's good, bro?
شو بتحس كانت أكبر غلطة عندك بالتريدينج؟
أكبر غلطة. Over risking, over leveraging, revenge trading. Just being in the market too much, fam. It's a thing. You want to stay out as much as you can. Like people, bro, I get people who message me like, "Oh, you haven't fucking taken a trade this week," and I'm like, "Yeah, bro," because like I used to trade every day and I didn't see $1, and then when I traded like once a week or something, or sometimes even 0 times a week, that's when I started to make money, and I was like, well, if I'm making more money doing less work, like why not? You know, I'd rather take like a very high quality setup that I really believe in than anything else.
100%.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
بس عرفت على جيمس حسيت كأنه أثر على طريقة التريدينج تبعك.
James, honestly, bro, James is really fucking patient. Like James takes like one trade every like 2-3 months. Like he never trades.
Well, if he makes 200-300K per trade, that's okay.
Zapt, yeah, then he doesn't have to trade. You know what I mean? It's all about waiting for the right setup. So like I adopted it, bro. I was trading
100%.
like alhamdulillah, bro. Like last month, I don't even know how many trades I took. Like, bro, I had, for example, like one trade that lands like $20,000, and it's like, okay, well, you know, if you're good on one, if one trade can do that, you don't need to trade every single day, because then you're gonna be like if I trade less times in a day, and I save up for the one trade, then I can risk more, because like, you know, I'm willing to put myself at a bit higher risk, because I'm essentially putting myself in a position where I'm waiting for like a really, really, really good setup, and I'm choosing to avoid other ones.
Oh, okay. When you have this really good setup, do you take it on the 1 hour, or you just have a tight stop loss on lower time frames?
It depends. It really depends. Like I like everything to be in line together, you know?
Yeah. سوري إذا عم بسأل هالقد أسئلة، بس إنه
لا يا عم، اسأل زي ما انت عايز.
لا لأنه أنا يعني كبرت وما حدا كان بدلني صح، عرفت شو تعلمت، وبشي أتعلم زيادة من العالم يلي هواية يعني. عرفت شو؟ أنا هلا عم بعمل 3 to 15% per month لهلا، يعني صار لي 8 months ولا مرة خسران شهر. أنا بخسر تريدز بس إنه 3 to 15% لهلا.
3 to 15% in the month.
Yeah.
حلو أوي.
But last month I did 4. This month I'm up 8 لهلا.
حلو يا عم. It's only gonna get better. Somebody asked what are my 2 indicators. This one I don't even use. This one is called the Asia Range Nico 948D. Trying to find something on the computer.